What's up, home bartenders? So I've never actually had sex on the beach. I'm talking about the drink. Let's make it.
All right, so this is actually made in two parts. So in the first part here, starting with a peach liqueur using my homemade, but use a peach schnapps if that's all you got, 1 ounce. Follow that up with 1 ounce of orange juice, freshly squeezed is better of course, and finally an ounce of pineapple juice. That's it for our first part. Second part, starting with half an ounce of a raspberry liqueur, once again using homemade. Use a Chambord if that's what you got. Follow that up with an ounce of vodka. This is not a very heavy alcohol drink, as you can tell. And then 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. I highly recommend unsweetened cranberry juice because this drink has a lot of sugar and that little extra tartness will really help balance it out. All right, double shake those, and then we're going to start by layering our orange liquid and follow that up with the red liquid. It's going to give us a beautiful layered drink. Classic garnish.
All right, so here it is, guys. Sex on the beach, beautifully layered drink. Obviously, we need to mix it before we start drinking. If you drink from the bottom, you're only going to be getting pineapple juice, the orange juice, and a little bit of the peach liqueur. But you really need to kind of mix this up before you drink it, otherwise you're not getting the full flavors. If you made it this far, guys, before we taste this, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell, get notified when we release new content. All right, here it goes. I mean, primarily it's orange juice, pineapple juice. You get a nice little kick of peach, nice little kick of the raspberry, cranberry. Honestly, alcohol is like completely gone in this. So definitely not my kind of drink. I like to actually taste the spirits, taste the alcohol, but I can see the appeal here because it's very sweet, it's tropical, and you don't taste the alcohol. So you can have a bunch of these and not realize that you're drinking. Hey guys, make sure you check out this video where I make 4 other layered cocktails and I kind of show you how the layering works and in my opinion, which ones work, which ones don't. And so make sure you check that out. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. Cheers.